The Nokia Lumia 200 is a futuristic powerhouse smartphone built to deliver premium performance, stunning visuals, and extreme endurance, making it one of the most impressive Lumia devices ever imagined. It features a breathtaking 144 Hz QHD Plus OLED display, offering ultra-smooth scrolling, sharp detail, and vibrant colors that make gaming, streaming, and everyday browsing feel incredibly fluid and immersive. At its core, the Lumia 200 is powered by the ultra-fast Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, providing flagship-level speed, advanced AI processing, and next-generation efficiency for heavy multitasking, high-end gaming, and seamless 5G connectivity. Photography is taken to another level with a massive 400MP main camera, capable of capturing incredibly detailed images, professional quality portraits, and crystal-clear 8K video with powerful AI enhancements. Backing up all this performance is a gigantic 9,500 mAh battery, built to last for multiple days on a single charge, ensuring you can game, record, and stream without constantly searching for a charger. With its legendary Lumia identity combined with modern flagship specs, the Nokia Lumia 200 delivers an unmatched blend of power, display quality, camera excellence, and long-lasting battery life.